Good morning everyone. I am welcoming to my new channel S2CS, where I will be covering the concepts of computer science. Okay, so I will be covering all these topics in a series of videos. Here I am not going for any complex definitions and all. I will be covering these concepts in a most simpler way in which you will understand. Okay, you are just reading the books and going for the definitions, but you are not understanding the concepts very well. So this is just a small initiative from my side to make you understand the concepts very well. So please support me by subscribing to my channel S2CS so that I can make more and more such videos. So today I have come up with the topic, an introduction to database. So let us start. Okay, I hope everyone can see this page clearly. Yes? Okay. So before understanding what a database is, you should understand what the term data is. Okay. Now you have heard this word in your while studying computer science or IT or computer. Okay. You have always hear this word data. Okay. So what this data is? A data is any fact related to object that can be recorded. Okay, what we are recording? We are recording any facts related to object. Now what are these facts? Facts in simple way, if I will tell, if I can say, that is details. Okay, details of any object. For example, if I am saying an employee, okay, here I am considering a real world entity, that is an employee. So employee can have his name, his age, okay, then his designation, his residential address, and many more details and many more facts. So that is the data of that employee. Okay, now you are understanding. If I am taking for example, a school student, okay, what all details he might be having? The same thing, the name, the standard in which he is studying, his age. So that are the details of that particular student. Okay, so that is the data of that student. So we are understanding what data is. Now we got the data, but we have used one more term in our definition, that is recorded. So now how this data is recorded? Okay, we have known what data is, the details related to any object or facts related to any object. Now we want to record this data. Now the data or these facts can be recorded in text form, numeric form, or image form, or audio. Okay, so in all these ways you can record your data. Now how this data is recorded, that we will understand with the example of a small table. Now you can see a table being given here. Yes. Now I have taken an example of employee in an organization. Okay, so what all data an employee will be having and how it is being stored. Okay, so see, there are three columns, that is data, data specification, and form of storage. Data, as I have said you, the details of an employee. Okay, data specification means we are specifying that particular employee. For example, I have taken the example of one employee, okay, here, and how it is being stored. Starting with the first one, employee name. Okay, so employee name, here it is Tarun. Okay, Tarun, Tarun, and it's been stored in the form of text. Okay, yes, obviously you can't store your name in the numbers form. You can store it in text form. Coming to the employee department, here it's HR. Okay, so it's been stored in text form. Okay, coming to the employee age, now age can always be in numbers, always is in numbers. So it's been stored in numeric form. Similarly, designation, and coming to the photo, now employee might be having a photo. Okay, so this photo is stored in an image form. Okay, it can't be stored in text or numeric form, it is stored in image form. So this was just a short example on how a data is being stored. Okay, now you understood what a data is and how it has been stored, in which form it is stored. Now we will come to our main topic, that is database. Now we will see what database is. So I hope you can see this page very well. Okay, Okay. Now, database is a collection of related data stored in a standardized format so that it can be easily accessed, managed and updated. Now, I have shown you data of an employee. Now in an organization there will be lots of employees and you have to store the data. Why you have to store the data? Sometimes you have to access any particular employee's data. It will be impossible if you will not store his data in a proper way. So we want all this data to be stored in a particular place in a standardized way so that whenever you require this data you can easily access it. That particular collection of data is known as database. Now examples, I have taken students records in a system, banking system where you can find lots of customers data being stored in banking database. Yes, library, like, okay. Now I have taken one example out of this to make you understand what a database is. Students records in a school. Okay, now how, see, this is the symbol of the database. This is students database. So what all will be there? Okay, it will consist of all students studying in all standards. Okay, so like student name, student class, student division, student age, address, contact and image, as I have shown you previously, like employees. Okay, so here every student studying in every standard, all will be stored in a particular student's database. So if I want a class 6 students information, similarly I will be accessing it using DBMS, which is a different topic which I will teach you in my future video. So first I just want you to simply understand what data is and what actually database is. So I hope you have understood in a simple way what database is. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel S2CS so that I will come to know that you are really interested in such videos and I will bring such videos again and again. Thank you for watching my video.